Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a first impressions using a few products that I picked up from Sephora. I shopped their clean beauty selection and I found a few products that I have not ever used before. What a better way than to try it out here on video for you guys. So this is a first impressions for brands. So I hope you guys will enjoy this. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Stephanie and I am a mom who loves to do beauty vlogs. And without taking any more of your time, let's get straight into the video. So one of the items is the bareMinerals Complexion Rescue. I believe it's ILIA. I have no idea how to say this. bareMinerals BARESKIN Concealer, FARSÁLI Liquid Glass, which I am super excited to try. The bareMinerals Warmth. This is an all over product, all over the face product. The Milk Beauty Lip and Cheek Stain. I'm very into clean beauty, especially just to put good products on your face. It's just so important to me. I hope this is the right shade. The shade I picked up is Spice. Mix it around with my fingers. So this is a skin tint, meaning don't expect a lot of coverage. The texture is definitely like velvety. It's not creamy. Having some acne, of course I'm going to have to conceal. You want to use this product exactly the way it's meant to be used, which is just a tinted hydrating gel cream. It does say apply to clean skin with fingertips. You can layer for additional coverage. So let's see if that's true. Layering doesn't really help, but we have some concealer, so hopefully this will make some kind of a difference. I really like how creamy this concealer is. I am not going to apply this all over my face because it is not a color that will go all over. Just gonna get that right under the eyes. So I am going to conceal. I'm going to use my Dermablend. Now let's go into our Milk product, and this color is Work. This is for your lips and for your cheeks. My foundation is moving. I would say that there's no actual foundation in this area now. Nice natural flush. Perfect product for an everyday look, like just getting out the door. I'm going to go in with my face powder. My shade is Neutral Tan, and I'm just going to apply this mainly to my T-zone just to balance out some of the shine. This brush is so old. It's like shedding all over me. Okay, so now we're going to go into this eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to keep this very simple only because there's no real drama happening to the face over here. So I'm going to just apply this light shade, this shimmer shade, and possibly this shade over here. Okay, I'm going to go in with the light shade first and just get that on right by my brows and also a little in the crease. This always helps me to blend out any of the crease products. Okay, now we're going to go in with this color just to add some definition. I think I'm going to change my brush. I don't know. So this eyeshadow is not like crazy blendable. It's like sticking wherever I put it. Like wherever my brush touches, it just deposits all the color there, and now I have to like a little more time blending this out than I anticipated. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the shimmer color now. I'm not gonna lie, if I would have played around with this off camera, you probably would have never seen this eyeshadow palette. No me gusta. This shimmer though, the shimmer shadow is really nice. But that's one in the palette. I mean, I didn't try the other colors, but I feel like I have to use this color only because I want to see if the other matte shades are just as hard to use. This one was a little bit more powdery than the other one. So it definitely does stick exactly wherever you put it. Maybe I should not try this color out. I was like done. Now I'm here blending. I'm just going to put this color on my lower lash line because I have to finish the look. I'm also going to use this Milk product on my lips since it is a double duty product. This is like definitely a daytime look. I forgot about this product. So it says you can wear it under or over your makeup. So I'm clearly gonna be using this over. I forgot about another product here. Okay, and now I'm just going to use my bareMinerals product as a bronzer. Yes. Summer. Okay, so I am very happy with this product, the concealer, and I do like this product, and I think I can try a darker shade and I'll be really pleased with it. Not too crazy about this product at all. My skin does feel really nice and hydrated, but I'm not really into the texture and just the finish. Definitely not a product that I like, not really into it. The shimmer color was nice, but that's it. Here is the completed look. If you like these kind of first impression style videos, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I did find a few products that I would have probably never tried if it wasn't for this video. So I'm very excited to know your thoughts on it. Till my next video, stay beautiful.